Welcome to the reading of the book of Genesis, chapter 36 onwards, the book of Genesis from the Old Testament and the Holy Bible. Chapter 36 onwards, Genesis chapter 36. Now these are the generation of Esau, who is Edom. Esau took his wives of the daughters of Canaan, Ada the daughter of Elon the Hittite, and Aholibama the daughter of Anna the daughter of Sibeon the Hivite, and Bashemat Ishmael's daughter, sister of Nebajoth. And Ada bare to Esau Eliphaz, and Bashemat bare Ruel, and Aholibama bare Jehuz, and Jalam, and Korah. These are the sons of Esau, which are born unto him in the land of Canaan. And Esau took his wives, and his sons, and his daughters, and all the persons of his house, and his cattle, and all his beasts, and all his substance, which he had got in the land of Canaan, and went into the country from the face of his brother Jacob. For the riches were more than they might dwell together, and the land wherein they were strangers could not bear them, because of their cattle. Thus dwelt Esau in Mount Seir, and Esau in Edom. Esau is Edom. And these are the generations of Esau, the father of Edomites in the Mount Seir. These are the names of Esau's son: Eliphaz the son of Ada, the wife of Esau; Reuel the son of Bashemat, the wife of Esau. And of the sons of Eliphaz were Teman, Omar, Sepho, Gatam, and Kenaz. And Timnah was concubine to Eliphaz, Esau's son, and she bare to Eliphaz Amalek. They were sons of Ada, Esau's wife. And these are the sons of Reuel: Nahath and Zerah, Shamat and Misa. These were the sons of Bashemat, Esau's wife. And these were the sons of Aholibama, the daughter of Anna, the daughter of Sibeon, Esau's wife, which she bare to Esau, Jeush, and Jalam, and Korah. These were the dukes of the sons of Esau, the sons of Eliphaz, the firstborn of son of Esau: Duke Timan, Duke Omar, Duke Gatam, and Duke Amalek. Duke Korah, Duke Gatam, and Duke Amalek. These are the dukes that came of Eliphaz into the land of Edom. They were the sons of Ada. And these are the sons of Reuel's, Esau's son: Duke Nahath, Duke Zerah, Duke Shammah, Duke Missa. These are the dukes that came of Reuel in the land of Edom. These are the sons of Bashemat, Esau's wife. And these are the sons of Ahoibama, Esau's wife: Duke Jeush, Duke Jalam, Duke Korah. These were the dukes that came of Aholibama, the daughter of Anna, Esau's wife. These are the sons of Esau, who is Edom, and these are their dukes. These are the sons of Seir the Horite, who inhabited the land: Lotan and Shobal, and Sibeon and Anna, and Dishon and Ezer and Dishan. These are the dukes of Horites, the children of Seir in the land of Edom. And the children of Lotan were Hori and Heman, and Lotan's sister was Timnah. And the children of Shobal were these: Alwan, Manahath, Ebal, Shepho, and Onam. And these are the children of Sibeon, both Aja and Anna. Anna was found the mules in the wilderness, and she fed the asses of Sibeon his father. And the children of Anna were these: Dishon and Ahobama, the daughter of Anna. And these are the children of Dishon: Hemdan and Ishban and Ithran and Cheran. The children of Izar are these: Bilhan and Savan and Akan. The children of Dishan are these: Uz and Aran. And these are the dukes that came of Horites: Duke Lotan, Duke Shoba, Duke Sibeon, Duke Anna, Duke Dishon, Duke Izar, Duke Dishan. These are the dukes that came to Horai among their dukes in the land of Seir. And these are the kings that reigned in the land of Edom, before there reigned any king over the children of Israel. And Bela the son of Beor reigned in Edom, and the name of the city was Dinhabad. And Bela died, and Jobab the son of Serah of Bosra reigned in his stead. And Jobab died, and Husham of the land of Temami reigned in his stead. And Husham died, and Hadad the son of Bedad, who smote Midian in the field of Moab, reigned in his stead. And the name of his city was Avith. And Hadad died, and Shamla of Masrekah reigned in his stead. And Shamla died, and Saul of Rehoboth by the river reigned in his stead. And Saul died, and Baal-Hanan the son of Achbor reigned in his stead. And Baal-Hanan the son of Achor died, and Hadar reigned in his stead. And the name of the city was Pau, and his wife's name was Mehetabel, the daughter of Matred, the daughter of Mezahab. These are the names of the dukes that came of Esau according to their families after their places by their names: Duke Timnah, Duke Avia, Duke Jetheth, Duke Ahoibama, Duke Elah, Duke Pimo, Duke Kenas, Duke Teman, Duke Mibzar, Duke Magdiel, Duke Iram. These be the dukes of Edom, according to their habitations in the land of their possession. He is Esau, the father of the Edomites. That is chapter 36, the genealogy of Esau.